Did you want to try
Try what?
stuff? The Oreo?
Oh, now is the time. Oh, wow. Willie Do producing the show. Producing the show. Okay, so just a quick recap. We have Ritz, we have Oreos, we have Ritz with the cheese inside, and we have Ritz with the peanut butter. We are recreating the viral sensation and sold out Oreo Ritz combo the food company Mondelez put together as a collab to mash up unexpected flavors. So I guess at first I'll do it the way that they did it. So that's this one, the peanut butter mini sandwich with an Oreo. That's the way they did it. And then we're going to get crazy and do the cheese one as well.
I think they're the same size.
Yeah, you got mini for both. So
Yeah.
it's going to be perfect. All right. I've never had this peanut butter one in and of itself. So that's already
Are you going to do a taste test first?
of just.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, this I know is going to be good because you have chocolate and peanut butter and icing and, this is no issue here. I mean, combining these two.
Killing us, bud.
Okay, so there we have this box is open and, this one's even more ASMR.
The tingles.
Let's have some Oreos together. Oh, man. Okay.
So sexual.
Okay. All right, I'm going to take one mini Oreo.
Yep.
I have one mini Oreo. It's a little sideways. That's
No,
fine.
you got to get a correct one.
Really? Wait, am I actually going to try to make the sandwich?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's
You
going to be
can't,
tough. That's going to be tough. Okay.
because it's half of one.
Yeah, you're right.
half of the other.
You're right. Okay, so I'm going to have to remove one side there and one side there. Oh, yeah.
There you go.
I actually kind of like
Look at you.
I kind of like the mini aspect because it's like less of a commitment. Look at this little bite size situation. Okay, so I've done it exactly the way they've done it. Let's go ahead and give it a try.
It's a pretty good crunch.
It's fresh.
Him thinking about it.
Guys,
Is this a game changer or what?
guys, this is delicious. What are we doing? Guys, come on, let's get it together here. This is obviously delicious.
Is it?
Yes, it's delicious. Come on.
The salty and the sweet,
Yeah, man.
Wow.
the mashup of cream and peanut butter.
Because peanut butter itself is already salty sweet, right? The whole Reese thing that's going on.
Mm-hmm.
Mo,
I'm a big peanut butter Reese guy. Huge peanut butter
Please
Reese
keep
guy.
it together. Yeah. Tell me about the peanut butter, though. Tell me about that peanut butter. So that's delicious. It honestly tastes kind of like. It kind of reminds me of ice cream, like maybe like cookie dough. There's something great going on there.
Okay.
And you're not going to go wrong with that. This one is way riskier. The cheese cracker. The cheese cracker combo is a riskier move. And it's, by the way, it's not the one in the collab, and it's not the one they've recommended. And I don't know if they'll ever do the collab. But you wouldn't normally have cheese and chocolate in the same cracker sandwich.
Although Kurt told me it's a thing.
What's that?
Cheese and chocolate.
Like,
It's like a thing.
together? Like in the same product?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen it in the same product.
Let me look it up.
One thing, these bags are quite serious getting them opened up. My goodness. I mean, they're both delicacies. Like I wouldn't mind eating them one after the other, but like in a sandwich together, I don't know if I've ever seen it. Chocolate covered cheese. You know what they do with the chocolates as well? They do the spicy in the chocolates. Have you had that before? Mm-hmm. Where they put like pepper,
Yes.
or cayenne, or whatever in the thing.
Don't mind it.
No, I don't mind it either. I think it's kind of complimentary. And then one time I had a really spicy hot chocolate. Did you ever have that? Like a hot
No.
chocolate, like a drink, but spicy?
No.
Okay, here we go. This is the crazy combo. It is the half Oreo, half cheese Ritz.
Okay.
The
let's go.
riskiest move of my life. I don't know. I hope I survive. Here we go.
Uh-oh.
A lot more thinking.
The cheese is not. Oh yeah, I guess cheesecake is
Oh.
cheese with sweet.
Interesting.
Yeah. But no chocolate.
Yeah, you can have a chocolate cheesecake, obviously.
Can you?
What are we
Never
doing?
had
here?
that
What are we doing? End the show.
Let me,
Are you kidding me?
It
Chocolate,
looks exactly like a cheesecake, just chocolate.
chocolate cheesecake is delicious. The cheese on this situation gets lost. I can't. It barely
gets
comes
buried?
out. Yeah, it barely comes out next to the Oreo. The peanut butter actually contributes next to the Oreo. The cheese, I can't even catch a note, a flavor note.
Just nothing, huh?
I'm looking at you.
Right.
Okay. So definitely go for the peanut butter one if you want to make this yourself. And
Imagine anybody doing this.
yes, everyone will be doing this, and so they don't have to have the limited edition one.
Right. But if this sells, they for sure just make it a product that.
I feel like now I got all these tops left over here. Why do I have extra tops?
Uh-huh.
No, I don't.
There you go. Does that taste anything? Tastes better?
Yeah, yeah.
Worse?
I mean, you could just do the cracker portion with the cookie portion. It's fine. The rich cracker's already pretty sweet. I bet you there's sugar in there. I bet
Oh,
you.
yeah, for sure.
See, in the chat, they say, like, Better with Rum says, I'm 100% doing this.
Wow.
So-
Okay. All right.
Right on. Cool.